welcome back to the channel. Happy holidays. I hope you're happy, healthy, and doing okay. Welcome to Vlogmas day 1, or at least my day 1, because Vlogmas started at this point. Today is the 4th. Vlogmas started 3 days ago, but my first video is going live. Just to know, because as I said, my upload schedule will be like two videos a week or every other day basically. So I'm just getting to upload Vlogmas day 1, and you'll see that I'm in a totally different clothes from the actual video because this is editing nuts right now. You know, I was watching the video and I realized that my mic slipped out for like the first minute and a half of the video you are going to be watching. So I have to pop in and like open the video for you guys, tell you what it's about, which is a winter haul. I did film it a little bit before December started because I knew I wanted it to be one of the Vlogmas videos, so I filmed that when I did the shopping. So it's going to be a winter baby clothes haul, so like Aiden's winter wardrobe kind of. Just a little heads up, I did have to go out and buy even additional clothes from the ones that you're going to see in this haul, because a lot of the onesie, like the cover up onesies, like the overall onesies, they were just unsnapping because Aiden is like crawling and stuff very fast. They'll just pop, and that is why the mom community love the zip onesies, because the zips can pop, you know. So I had to go out and buy some shirt and pants because after all, he's a toddler anyway. Who needs onesies when you're a toddler, you know? So that is what's coming up in the video right now. So I am going to play that video from past Nats and allow you to enjoy the video. Thank you so much for stopping by, clicking on this video. If you like it here, I would love to have you join the Nats community. So please subscribe, like the video also if you do enjoy it. Let's move forward into the video. I decided that today I wanted to share with you a kind of fall, winter, hopefully it lasts until spring haul. The last baby haul I did on this channel was way before Aiden was born, and I showed you guys all of the clothing pieces that we bought in preparation for his arrival up until about, I think, 6 months. So now I have officially done another big haul. I think not almost, exactly in the same category. So it's like a gazillion amount of clothes, and hopefully, like, the aim is for it to last for at least until spring, because he is continuously growing at least for the next year, 2 years. I don't know when they stop growing so fast where a clothes from this season can last the next season or a couple seasons. I don't know. So as for right now, I'm just buying clothes for each season. But because in Japan winter lasts, I'm gonna say, a very long time, because even in spring when it's supposed to be less cold, I always find that I still have to wear some form of cover up, sometimes even layers. Sometimes it even snows in spring when you think everything is behind you. So all of this that you're seeing behind me right now is in preparation for the fall season, the winter season, and hopefully the spring season. I have bought some stuff, you know, like a couple sizes bigger, with hopes that maybe around next fall he could wear some of the pieces. But I'm not getting my hopes up for everything lasting until next fall. But once they last until at least spring, I would have said that this, you know, spending was good. Like, babies are expensive, they continuously grow. It's not like us where we buy some clothes and it lasts us for a long time. So you find that I'm continuously buying clothes. So the bonus, or it is not a bonus, but the difference between this haul and the first haul that I did is that everything here was bought in the Japanese baby store, which is, I can't believe I'm saying I bought stuff in the Japanese baby store, because if you've been around for the first video, you know that I was so scared to go into the Japanese baby store and shop for baby things just because I don't speak Japanese. I didn't have friends who speak Japanese, so I didn't know, even though I know the products that I'm looking for baby care and all of that stuff exists in Japan because there are a gazillion babies here, I just didn't know what to look for, what were the names of these stuff in Japanese, and I just started freaking out and getting anxious because it would, you know, I didn't want that. So I found that Amazon was so easy. It's in English. I can shop for exactly what I want. And so I bought everything off of Amazon or AliExpress and stuff like that. But everything here is from the Japanese baby store, thanks to a couple of friends that I have met since having a baby that has, you know, shown me the ropes. Let's get into the haul because we have a lot of stuff. And in no particular order. In no particular order because I cannot be bothered with that. The baby is sleeping, so you know I have a limited amount of time to get this video done. Anyway, so let's start with things that I have here. So the idea for this shopping was really to get a couple of pajamas, a couple of clothes that you wear out, you know, like dressy type of clothes, and then clothes that you wear inside for, you know, the cold weather. So as I go through these, I'll tell you the purposes, but they're not in like organized categories or anything like that. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing that we have here is like a basic long sleeve onesie. I tend to love these because they're easy for diaper changes in the house. Like, I'm not the type of mom who has their baby in OOTD fashion and, you know, pretty fussy clothing in the house. I just don't think it's necessary, and I don't have the time to like be fighting a baby to put on pants and all of that when we're just in the house every day. So things that are easy like this, you just put it on, it snaps, and he crawls around the house. So I got this in a size, the sizes in Japan are a bit crazy, hard to understand, but I got it in a size 80, as you can see here. And I think 80, like size 80, let me see what my friend told me here. She said 80 is for 12 to 18 months, so right around where Aiden is. And currently Aiden is really on the shorter end of his growth curve, so these fit him well. So simple basic onesie. I got a few of them. I also got, where do I put these after I show you guys? Right behind me. I also got this little printed one too. It has cars, it has bunnies, it has tractors, some teddy bears. You know, I just found that it was cute. It has a thicker material, so perfect for, you know, fall, winter, indoors weather. And I got a couple of these pajamas, onesies kind of stuff. Some I got on the thicker end, and some I got on like the thinner end for sleeping. So like this one, as you, I don't know if you can tell, but look at the material. You can see it's a thicker material. So this I basically bought to wear as like a big overall kind of sweater warmer type thing. I'm going to insert a picture of Aiden wearing one of these that was gifted to him by a friend of mine. But basically the idea is, it's cold outside, you dress him in his regular clothing, and this would just go over him as an overall to keep him warm. If I'm not feeling like I want to put him in a sweater or a jacket, this just acts as a big cover up, like keeps him warm. You understand what I mean? So that is what I bought this one for. It's like this dinosaur print, and it has like the dinosaur tail right here. I bought a few of these, some for him to sleep in, and then some for the exact purpose that I just described, which I think this is the only one I bought for that purpose. So all the other ones are pajamas. So let's get into what looks like pajamas here. The first one is this little cute little blue one. I don't know what this is. It's like a beer kind of thing, and it has, I don't know what this is supposed to be, the beer butter or something, I don't know, but I thought that this was cute. You can check out the material if you can pick it up on the camera. It is on the thicker end, but not super thick, and I think this will be perfect for sleeping. And then, you know, he has his thicker winter sleep socks that he also sleeps in to keep him nice and warm. Because I don't know if you know, or maybe you know, because you're a mom too, I guess, but babies Aiden's age is not supposed to have, like, you know, towels and blankets and stuff in their cribs, so the sleep sacks are recommended. Moving on to the rest of pajamas, I got another one in this print. Guys, I am not a fussy mom. I really just go in, check the size out, and buy whatever it is. Like, I'm not aesthetic. The clothing are all over the place in terms of colors and patterns and all of that. I don't follow anything specific. I just buy clothes, you know. So we have this little star one, which I like. I don't necessarily love the color, but I like the pattern because Aiden's nursery situation is all about stars and moons and sky and, you know, stuff like that. So I think it fits. We have this other one here. Oh, I can hold it here. It's better, right? You see it better here than like there. But yeah, this one has, this look like hedgehog. I don't know, you tell me what animal this is. I see a little nut right here. So what animal is this, guys? Because your girl don't know, you know. So yeah, another pajama. And then this is another of the big overall things that I was showing you before, but this one I bought for him to wear in the house for those especially cold days where the house is just chilly. If you live in Japan, then you know when it's winter time, you cannot even go into your toilet without freezing. Like, the walls of the house, it's so cold. And if you do not live in Japan, fun fact, Japan doesn't have central heating like you guys are privileged to have in America. We have like one heating unit in the house, and it is supposed to stretch everywhere, which is really impossible. So you find that the living area where everybody is all of the day is warm and cozy, but you walk into another room and you're freezing cold because you don't have like a thermostat and stuff where you set a temperature and your entire house is warm. We don't have that. So on those days, for those days where that is what's happening, I bought this for Aiden to wear in, and they look super big, but trust me, when I tried it on him, I was like almost telling myself, oh shit, I should have gone 2 sizes up. But you know, this is his size for now and I'm fine with it. So yeah, and it says peaceful mind. Like, in Japan you rarely find clothing with English that makes sense, but I guess peaceful mind, yeah, who doesn't need one of those, you know? I guess it makes sense. All right, next up is this little sweater for autumn. Uniqlo sells a lot of these, and if you're in Japan, get yourself one of these from Uniqlo because they're super warm. They look like light and thin and whatever, but they are super warm. It has the, you know, the fuzzy material, and it keeps you really snug. I sized up a size and a half in this simply because it's a sweater. You need a little bigger so that it can hold you having other layers underneath it. So that was the idea for this one. Oh, I haven't been telling you guys the prices. This was just for 999 yen. And I shopped at Nishi Matsuya and Birthday, those two baby chain stores. And Nishi Matsuya is like the cheapest baby store chain in Japan, and I think like Akachan Hompo is like the most expensive. Birthday is like the second expensive. I like Birthday. I like the brands that Birthday carry, but if you're on a budget, then you go to Nishi Matsuya for all the deals. And then with the whole sweater situation, I wanted one lighter kind of sweatery for like autumn and not super cold days. But then I also wanted a thicker sweater jacket kind of situation for those days when, you know, we really need some help if we're outside. So I bought this jacket. Look at the side. Look at the material. It's like one of them puffer jackets, but you know, baby size, and I think it's cute. It's definitely much bigger than Aiden, but like I said, this is something that probably next autumn he'll still be able to fit. Hopefully. This was one of the more expensive things that I bought. It was for 1,600 yen, but yeah, I hope this one will last a long time, especially because he probably won't be living in it because we don't go outside that much. This is another one of the big puffy overall stuff, and this one is going to be a pajama for those especially cold nights. This plus his sleep sack, his winter warm plush sleep sack. So currently now the sleep sacks that he's wearing is, you know, on the lighter end for like summer and, you know, spring, and then we buy thicker sleep sacks for winter. So this is going to act as a pajama. And then next up on here we have a little room vest with this cute pattern. I saw bread and egg and a croissant on it. I'm like, how cute. Aiden actually fancies eggs. He's not so much into bread, but he eats it. And I saw it, and basically it's a room vest. It has the soft plush material. So basically if you're, you know, if the house is feeling a little chilly like today, it's sunny, very sunny and bright outside, but it actually feels a little chilly in the house. The aircon is not on, and it feels as if aircon is on. So this is what you just throw it over him, and it helps to keep him a little extra warm, you know what I mean? So yeah, I bought this little room vest. This one was in a size 90, so I don't know why I have it on a size 80 hanger already coming to. I love that Nishimatsuya actually sells you the clothing on the hangers so that you don't have to go out and buy hangers if you don't already have. And it is especially good because I think if you buy a lot of clothes, like say for example you're buying sizes up and stuff, it helps when they sell you the clothes with the hanger so that you can see the size, and when you hang it up in the baby's closet, then you know what size clothes you're reaching for instead of, you know, taking down, checking the tags and stuff like that. So I think that was very nice. I don't know. Am I weird? I don't know. Anyway, this is the next onesie. I don't know where the hanger is for this, but we're going to show it to you held up like this. But yeah, look at this pattern, you guys. It says teddy bear. It actually feels like a teddy bear. Like, look at this material, man. Like, it is so soft. But yeah, we got him this little onesie, and this is going to be, of course, for housewear because I think he has a lot of pajamas, right? For summer he was sleeping in a lot of pajamas that look like this, but they would have been short sleeve. All right, moving on to what looks like some pants here. I got him this little shorts pants. This is the material. It has like this knitted fabric. It doesn't feel thick, like warm, but if I pair it with one of these things, which are baby leg warmers, you have him in the leg warmers and then you have him in this, and you know, his sweater and all of that, then he'll be warm, so I'm not worried about it. But yeah, little pants. And I was very freaked out about how wide this part of the pants is, but then you know, it just came to me that, oh, they made this part wider to fit diaper, because you know, babies, they always have the diaper butt because they're in diapers all the time. So if you buy something that is a little bit more slim fit, for example, Aiden has, let me show you guys. Aiden has shorts and pants like this, where it is not, it's just made like a regular pants, and not only does this part stretch out because it has to stretch to fit the diaper, but I find that it just sometimes it looks weird because it's tight to his bottom and then the diaper is just bulging out, so it looks weird. But this, it's made with a wider butt area, so it fits, you know, the diaper and all of that. So yeah, I bought 3 of them in 3 different colors. I have this, you know, white wash one. Like when you look at it, it's very white. It seems as if the baby would have bow legs, but I think it's very convenient. And not only did I buy these pants to, you know, for him to wear inside the house, especially if he's wearing something like this in the house and it is super cold, I can always, you know, put on a pants. Or he has a ton of these pants too, so he has house pants, so I wasn't fussy about getting a lot of house pants. So I really and truly bought these for him to wear out. It's like dressy clothes, and let me show you the tops that I bought to go with them. So first things first, I can't find the hangers, you guys, but I bought this little shirt. Like, how cute is this? And it is a size 80, and this one was, it fits him perfectly. So I don't know if this will last until next fall. Hopefully it does, because I really like it. So I bought this to, you know, like go with this, and it could be like a nice little suit if we're going out, you know, to the park, blah blah blah. You know, he could wear that. And I also bought it in gray because I loved it so much. This one I got in a size up, like one single size up, and it was massive on him. So I know definitely that he's going to have this to wear next fall, because Aiden, as I said, is on the smaller end of his growth curve. So I really don't think he'll be a super big baby by next fall. So I think this will be able to fit him. And of course, you know, I could pair it with this pants, and it could even probably go with this pants as well, for like, you know, going out and stuff like that. And of course I also have this one that could even quite possibly go with this, and it would be like a nude on nude kind of situation, who knows. So yeah, I have those. Sirens going off in Japan and my nose is running at the same time. Hold please. All right, the next little thing that I bought to try is these little, are they diaper covers? I don't know. In Jamaica I feel as if we would say bloomers, but aren't bloomers like a girl thing? I don't know. But these things basically go over diapers. So go over diapers, not necessarily diapers, or maybe it's diapers, but it's like a little shorts cover to cover the diapers. For example, if say your baby has on a regular onesie, so like this, and he's in the house, you can put it over it, and it's like, it's not a shorts and it's not a pants, but it's just like a cover, you know what I mean? Or you put on the diaper, you put this over it, and you could also, you know, put a pants over it. So it's just kind of like a cover if you don't necessarily want to just have your baby in a onesie, because you know, when you have on a onesie like this, it's right up under the crotch, so you know, skin is exposed. So I guess if you just want to like cover up a little bit, then you use one of this. I always wanted to try one of this, so I decided to buy it. It's for 800, no, it's for 980 yen, so it better be worth it when I try it. I have been dying to have Aiden wear these clothes, but I have to wash them before he puts them on his skin, because he has sensitive skin and I don't want anything messing that up. All right, moving along, we're almost done. The next 2 little items I bought were some winter hats, because it's winter, your head gets cold, your ears get cold, all of that stuff. So yeah, I bought this hat with a little poof on the top, and then this little cute bare looking one. Now I'm actually nervous for putting these on Aiden because Aiden likes absolutely nothing on his head or on his face. Like in summer I bought him a really nice sun hat to keep the sun out of his face. I bought him a really cool sunglasses. I'll put a picture of him here when we tried it on for the 2 seconds that he allowed me to take the picture. And I have been trying all summer long to get him to wear the shades. He's not having it. The minute something goes on his head, he's pulling it off. So I don't even know how this is gonna work. I'm just hoping that when we go outside and it's cold, he realizes that this helps his head keep warm. I hope he figures that out. So I bought those 2 hats, and then I bought some leg warmers that I think I already mentioned. But basically leg warmers go without saying. Moving on, this is another pajama set. I didn't really need this, but I wanted to try it. So I've never had Aiden in like a 2-piece pajama set kind of, and I saw it and I'm like, I want to try that on him. I did buy it in a size up, so this is something that he'll be able to wear next fall as well. So I think it's worth it. While the top piece I think could fit him right now, the bottom shorts, it could fit him around the waist, but I think it would be super long. Like he's not this long, things will be hanging off and stuff like that. So he'll definitely be wearing this next fall, and as you know he grows taller and stuff and starts walking, you know, he'll be able to wear this. But look at the print. It's just like a gazillion amount of sushi, which we don't even eat, but I thought it was cute. I thought it was the cutest one there, so I bought this one. Nice little pajama set. How expensive was this actually? 980 yen. So yeah, and then almost done, but this came in a pack of 3. But it's basically some baby heat tech. So if you live in Japan, you know that heat tech are a thing. You buy heat tech, and basically they're just like materials on the shirt that retains heat and warmth to your body. So you have this under your clothes, and then you have, you know, you layer on as per the weather, and you get warm. So I wanted to get some baby heat tech, so I got these. It came in a pack of 3, as I said, you know, just to ensure that he's nice and warm, because God knows it gets chilly out. And then this looks like actually the last thing from this clothing haul. We have some baby mittens, just in case, not just in case, but you know, for his little hands. Yeah, that is all of the stuff I got from the Japanese baby store for Aiden. Majority of the clothing, like I said, I shop at Nishimatsuya, and majority of the clothing that I got was under 1,000 yen. And when I say under 1,000 yen, I mean 980 yen. Some of the pieces were like 600 yen thereabout, and there were like some more expensive pieces that were like 15 or 1600 yen, like the jacket that I showed you. But anyway, that is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed today's haul, and if you like these types of videos, please let me know in the comment. Like the video also, so I know that you guys enjoy this type of content. And yeah, subscribe to the channel down below if you haven't yet, and ring the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys.